Hey guys, Eric Kyle here, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine, and I'm excited to be down at the Palm Beach International Boat Show right here in one of my favorite cities on the planet, Palm Beach, Florida. Hey, so while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some fun and exciting new products to report to you guys on, and I found something absolutely fantastic. I'm here with my man Tommy. Tommy, how are you, brother?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Good, good, good. So tell me a little bit more about Pure Tide Dockside Systems, because this really caught my attention.
Okay, so Pure Tide Dockside Systems. It's an all-in-one boat cleaning system, but it goes beyond that. So we have a high-volume, low-pressure power washing pump.
Okay.
100 feet hose reel, and built-in deionization filter. So it does everything you need to clean the boat. About 75% time savings. You can clean your entire boat, bow to stern, in about 30% of the time it would normally take. So you bring the boat in, pull it up on the lift, give it a nice power rinse, you know, get all the salt and grime off of it.
Right.
Attach the soap thrower, toss it down with a bunch of soaps, with a bunch of suds, let it sit there for just a moment, right? Let it do its business.
Yep.
And then you do a little power rinse, and then right at the end, engage the deionization filter, give it a spot-free rinse, and walk away.
I love it.
You're not drying, you're not chamoising, you don't have to worry about spots in your glass or on your hull or anything. The difference between a power washer and a pressure washer will destroy your boat.
Yeah.
Right, so we use a higher volume of water at a lower pressure, so it's safe. I mean, you can put your hand right in front of the spray. You're not going to hurt your skin or your gel coat or your upholstery.
Nice.
But with 100 feet of hose that you can extend up to 200 feet, right, you're cleaning your dock, you're cleaning your pool deck, your patio furniture,
I love it.
Your second-story windows, that are facing the water.
Yeah.
Bring the hose around to the front of the house. You can wash your cars.
Okay.
I mean, it's amazing how far 200 feet will go. It's 200 feet, actually.
Yeah. So what I think is brilliant about this product is it isn't just for the marina owner-operator when they're doing a haul-out.
Right.
This is a product that an individual boat owner can own.
Right.
Keep it at his dock and be able to take care of his boat.
Right. Right.
So and anything else that's within 200 feet of it.
Right. Exactly. So normally you got a short garden hose.
Yeah.
That is a waste of water, and you're just pouring crap water on your boat anyway.
Right.
So you want to fix that, you'd have to get a deionization system.
Yeah.
You know, it's about like that, right? You have to haul that out of your house because what are you gonna just keep it on your dock?
Right.
And then if you really want to get the job done, you would have to haul out your pressure washer, which might damage your boat to begin with. But then at that point, you have a big bulky hose, you got a deionization system and a pressure washer. It all fits in the dock box right there.
Right,
It's
everything's all in one thing right there. That's
and it'll
perfect.
clean everything that you can reach.
Now,
Seawall.
anytime I can spend on the water compared to cleaning my boat is good quality time. Now that has a value to it.
Right, so here's a really super complicated formula. You ready?
Yep.
This is good. You might want to write this down. Okay?
I'll go get a pen.
More time boating, less time cleaning.
Equals a happy guy.
Right. So more time boating, less time cleaning. It's complex.
So the product is absolutely ingenious. I haven't seen anything else like this out there on the market. Is this something that you came up with, Tommy?
We have another partner. He's going to be here tomorrow. He thought it up in college. Then he finally, I've got to get this out of my head. So he engineered the thing, put some money into it. It is the only system of its kind in the world.
I love it. Now, if I can't make it down to the Palm Beach show, shame on me, because I need to be here, right? Where am I going to go online to find out more information? Because my viewers are up in the Great Lakes. They're not down here in South Florida. They want to pull one of these systems into use up in their neck of the woods. How am I going to find out about you guys? Where can I go?
PureTideMarine.com.
Well, you made it pretty complicated then.
We're also on Facebook. You just not Google, obviously put in Facebook, Pure Tide Marine.
Okay.
Yep, PureTideMarine.com.
I love it, my man. Great product. You're going to have a lot of fun with this.
I hope so.
This is going to be neat.
So.
PureTideMarine.com, right?
That's it.
That's where you want to go. Make sure that you say Tommy sent you, because this is a good guy right here. PureTideMarine.com, guys. Go there, check it out, find out all the information about a fantastic new product that you're going to want for your boat.
If you email the company, you're talking to me. You're talking to me. I'm not gonna get me.
What else do you need? PureTideMarine.com. Thanks, guys. We'll see you out on the water.